This video is going to show you how to create characters, make graphics, do different things in Canva. I'm going to build a little monster character really quickly to show you how to insert, search for objects, change colors, layer objects, group objects together. So let's get started. This is exciting, a new monster project. All right, so I'm going to create a monster, and I think the first thing I want to do is create the shape he's going to be. So over here on my sides here, I'm going to go to the word elements on my tool menus, and I'm going to click on elements, and in the search, I'm going to click shapes. I'm going to type the word shapes and hit enter on my keyboard. And this is going to bring up graphics and shapes. And I just want shapes. So I'm going to click see all shapes. And then I think I would like to start with a unique shape. How about a fluffy monster? He needs to be fluffy. So I'm going to look for a shape that has like fluffy sides. Cloud. Let me try with this cloud first. So I'm going to make this cloud. I'm going to insert this cloud on here. Now, of course, I don't really want a blue character, but I want his head to be kind of like a brain looking type thing. So I'm going to have one part here and then the bottom part, or I can click on these three little dots and click duplicate. You see these three little dots, click duplicate. And then I'm going to rotate it around like so. So if you saw where I clicked, my little arrow is pointing to the little rotate circle. And I want it to be even, and then pull it down like this, and that looks more like a little brain head, right? Now, I've made my little head, but I don't want my head to be separated because there's two different objects here. So I'm going to group them. To group them, I'm going to click somewhere on my slide and drag and cover both objects so that they're both highlighted, and click the word group. So now when I move it, you can see that not just one half of his head is moving. So let's see, I need to change the color. So here, up here on this toolbar right here, when you have your object highlighted with the purple lines and the dots and all, you can change the color, the line color, the size of the stroke, the different way it looks. It could be like this, it could be like this, none at all. So here I can change the different type of weight on my border, can make it bigger, stronger, and we don't want any border at all. So there, but we do want to change the color. Well, how about a green monster? I really do like green. I can even choose gradient colors. I can do something funky, but I guess I would have to do that on both of my little guys like this, or I can choose a solid color and make him all green. I think I'll make him green. He needs to be a green guy. Okay, now I want to add some eyes to his head. So I'm going to go back over here to my elements, and then I'm going to clear my search and type the word eyes. Eyes. And then go to all, click on all. If it doesn't work, click on all, just like I did. And then I'm going to go to graphics here and click under graphics, see all, so I can see all the different kinds of eyes I could choose. Sometimes you might even find something animated, which is really cute and fun. That means that they move, like this little guy right here. So let me see. He needs to have some funny looking eyes. And sometimes you can even put in here, even type in before the object monster eyes and see what we get. See, we get all kinds of monster eyes there. We get all kinds of interesting things. Okay, so yeah, just get creative with it. It's fun to be, oh, there we go. We got some monstery eyes with some bloodshot eyes. That's pretty cool. There we go. You have some monster eyes there. He's got a brain, a wiggly head. I can even give him horns. Look, I can add some horns. And add horns and see all the little horns. Oh, I think this is interesting. These little horns here. This would fill him up quite nicely. Now I'm going to show you a trick. I don't really like to see his horns coming out the front. So what I would like to do, I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger, is I'm going to send these horns to the back so that you can just see the horns coming out of his head. So you can right click on it and go down to layer, and you want to send to back, send to back. And there it is. Now I have his cute little horns sticking out here. Then I'm going to create his mouth. So I'm going to go back and search for mouths. Or actually, I want a mouth with teeth. Mouth with teeth. Sharp teeth. Sharp teeth. Because he's a monster, so I have to make some sharp teeth. Again, under graphics, I'm going to click all. Now then, he can have a huge mouth or a little mouth. And remember, to edit or change it, it needs to be highlighted. You need to click on it and make sure these lines and dots are around your object to maneuver it. There we go. Now I have created a monster head. And again, to group everything together, click anywhere in your document and drag and highlight all the items and click group. And this way you can just move it around and make it change. So I think I have now covered just about everything. We inserted an image, we connected the images together, we grouped them, we changed the color on them, we used shapes to build, and then we added extras to make our image. And this is how you create an image using Canva.